Hi, I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and I'd like to introduce to you our 3-day Torchmate Basic Operations training class right here in Reno, Nevada. Along with all the skills you will learn to operate your Torchmate table with confidence, our location in Reno offers lots to do in your free time. While you are here, experience our fantastic restaurants, casinos, golf courses, and of course, Lake Tahoe. Enjoy the beautiful beaches, hiking, and skiing opportunities that are nearby while visiting Reno, and make the most out of your visit. Now, let's take a look at everything you'll learn in the Torchmate training.
I can go back and I can teach it to my students.
The amount that we cover in such a short period of time.
I've seen a lot of different ways of doing things.
I get it now.
I'm Chad Spradlin with Lincoln Electric Cutting Systems. I am the technical trainer here, and I offer and host a 3-day Torchmate Operations training class at the production facility in Reno, Nevada. The first day we cover how to do all of the basics like generate shapes, hotkeys, how to generate and manipulate clip art, along with how you vectorize raster images from the web or other places of image.
Having someone definitely show you the tricks, the shortcuts, huge benefit, huge benefit. It would took forever to learn that without coming here.
On the second day, we cover more dimensional drawings, we cover the array tool, the custom parts library along with nesting, and then we go over coordinate-based dimensions and drawings. Half of that day was going to be basically out there on the machines, getting your hands dirty, watching some sparks fly, getting the settings on your machine to get the cut quality that you're looking for, along with going over the operation of the Visual Machine Designer, which is the driver software of the Torchmate machines.
I'm a teacher, so sometimes we sit through workshops that we just get talked to all the time and we don't actually get to do things. So since we had the opportunity to bring our own computers, and then we could go out into the shop and actually cut things out on the tables and see how our designs worked, was really good.
On day 3 is an open workshop that covers all of the basics that you can develop a project of your own and then take it out to the machines and cut for the whole entire day.
It's formal, but it keeps it entertaining. It's not where I'm snoozing in the back of the classroom.
When you take other classes for things, they kind of draw things out unnecessarily, and I thought that this class did a really good job of not doing that.
I feel the biggest pain point that the class resolves is just getting over the intimidation of learning a new software and then understanding what it takes to truly operate the system as a whole.
It makes it easy to know that if I'm going to buy a piece of equipment, that if it's red, that I have support. Shop space is a tight thing, and so to get something, another piece of equipment in, I wanted to make sure that I was comfortable with it and that it would be something that I would use on a regular basis.
Come join us and get a head start on using your Torchmate CNC plasma cutting table. And while you're here, take advantage of all that Northern Nevada has to offer. Go to torchmate.com/seminars and sign up now.